Ms. Muking, do you know Colonel Garma?
Professionally, Mr. Chair, yes.
And why do you say professionally? Anong difference nun sa sa trabaho lang kayo nagkikita?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So that's what professionally means.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, but outside of the profession, hindi ba kayo nagkakasama, nagkakakwentuhan?
Never, Mr. Chair.
Never. So, how did you know si Colonel Garma?
Si Colonel Garma lang po ang precinct commander sa Davao City na babae. So,
that's why,
kilala talaga siya.
That's why kilala siya because
Yes,
she's the
Mr. Chair.
only...
Girl among the 12 precinct commanders of Davao City.
Okay. So, more or less, mga ilang taon na kayo magkakilala ni Colonel Garma?
Parang, I don't know kung kailan siya napasok sa Davao City. Po, nakilala ko lang talaga siya, Mr. Chair. Pasensya na po. Kasi makulit siya, Mr. Chair.
Makulit.
Opo.
Makulit dahil, ikaw ba ang kinukulit?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Bakit ikaw ang kinukulit? Ito ay kasama sa professional relationship.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Very professional.
So, paano kanya kinukulit, Ms. Muki?
Meron kasing request, as I have mentioned earlier, yung mga precinct commander para sa support from the city government of Davao. Tapos, one of those requests is care of kay Colonel Garma, which is the repair of her office. And kasi po, di ba po, meron naman pong process ang government pag meron kang request. So you have to go through po yung sa general services, meron pa po yung purchase order, purchase request. Kinikulit niya po kami doon sa mga aircon niya na request, mga TV, and other supplies. So kaya namin siya kilala, Mr. Chair.
So in relation to her, parang financial request yan, di ba? Funding request.
No, not funding, Mr. Chair, but office equipment and office supplies.
Yeah, but she requests your office to provide her with funds to purchase
No, item. It's an equipment.
so yung item
No,
kayo,
no cash, no
so
funds.
kayo bumibili and then you provide them with the items.
Pinoprocess po yan ng City General
Granting
Services.
for the sake of argument that it has already been processed, you have the item with you, that is what you provide.
That's right, Mr. Chair.
That is to answer yung kanyang request.
That's right, Mr.
So
Chair.
yun ang kanyang, kaya mo na sabing makulit siya dahil follow-up siya ng follow-up.
Hindi po humihinto, Mr. Chair.
So hindi humihinto.
Yes, Mr.
So,
Chair.
parang, the way I picture it, parang sobrang kulit niya. Tama ba yun?
Actually, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, that is the only request, yung kanyang sa office niya.
As far as I can remember, Mr. Chair, yun lang po ang ma-recall ko kay
Did
Colonel.
she ever request from you? At ikaw lang ang kinakausap niya?
Actually, Mr. Chair, hindi naman po talaga ako lang. So,
Sino pa? Sino pa kaya ang kinakausap?
pino-forward ko po yung staff niya sa City General Services Office para makafocus din po ako sa ibang task.
Okay. So you seem to have several tasks under the LGU, no? LGU ba yan?
Mostly administrative, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And who do you report directly? Who is your immediate superior?
The Chief of Staff, Mr. Chair.
And that is?
Actually, from 2004 to 2016, we have several Chief of Staff.
Several chief of staff.
Yes, every term po. Parang, yes.
Okay. So, lahat ba ng police precinct commander, kapag ka merong request, ay sa iyo dumadaan?
Actually, Mr. Chair, pinoprocess siya doon sa reception area namin. Tapos, parang part of my task is tagapukpok po ng mga opisina kung saan po sila may request.
Okay. Have you read the affidavit submitted by Colonel Garma to the Quad Committee?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And doon sa kanyang affidavit, nabanggit niya na your name was implicated doon sa punto na ikaw ang nagre-release ng operational funds. Is that correct?
No, Mr. Chair.
So hindi totoong nagre-release ka ng pondo?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
So why do you think Colonel Garma would say that?
I cannot answer in behalf of Colonel Garma, Mr. Chair.
Just make a wild guess. What do you think is the reason why Colonel Garma would specifically mention your name, mention your name as the one in charge of releasing funds for the successful operation of the war on drugs? Bakit ikaw? Meron ka pang ibang kasama sa office, correct?
Guess ko lang po, Mr. Chair.
Just a guess, sa tingin mo.
Baka gusto niya lang po akong i-connect. Kasi po, from the city government of Davao to OP. Parang ako siguro yung nakikita niyang linyada. Guess ko lang.
Okay, so linyada kay President, former President.
Probably, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, do you directly report to the former president?
No, Mr. Chair.
To whom do you directly report?
As I have said earlier, Mr. Chair, from 2016 to 2018, to then SAP, Senator Bongo, then from 2018 to 2022, Yusek Melchor Kitain, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, dito muna, nung ASEC ka kay SAP, former SAP, now Senator Bongo.
That's right, Mr. Chair.
Can you give us, or at least educate us, ano ang iyong work sa office ng SAP? Specifically kay Senator Bongo.
As I have said earlier, Mr. Chair, it's mostly administrative, clerical, errands, social services, and mechanical works.
What about appointments?
That's part of the...
Social.
No, Mr. Chair, that's part of the admin.
So, admin yun.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, halimbawa, merong gusto makipag-usap ni Congressman Adjong kay SAP Bongo, si Congressman Adjong will call you and schedule.
I believe hindi niya ako tatawagan kasi hindi niya ako kilala, Mr. Chair.
But where does a member of Congress who would like to see SAP Bongo request an appointment?
Actually, si Sap Bongo kasi, Mr. Chair, is madaling malapitan. So, lahat ata ng congressman, I believe, direct na nagtitext sa kanya and direct din po siyang sumasagot.
Lahat?
Almost all. As
Okay.
far as I know, Mr. Chair.
Just to make it clear, ako ba nakita mo ako? Lumapit ba ako sa'yo?
Hindi, Mr. Chair. But I believe, Mr. Chair, parang nautusan ako before to reach out sa inyo.
Sa akin?
Pero hindi mo nyo lang po ako ata sinagot.
So, hindi tayo nagkausap.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
So, it is very clear that it is not I who reach out to her, but it is Miss Muking who reach out to me. May I know kung bakit?
Para ata yung i-clarify, yung parang may request sa office, Mr. Chair. Ang gusto lang namin, mostly kasi, Mr. Chair, pag may pumapasok na request sa office, gina-clarify po talaga namin kung what's your priority among your requests.
You mean request na mga projects?
Part of it, Mr. Chair.
You know, I've been in Congress for more than 20 years, and I don't remember requesting from your office any project. Just for the record,
Mr. Chair, I did not specifically say that it is a project, but probably because I really cannot recall anymore.
so, ibig mong sabihin, kapag ikaw inuutusan to reach out to a certain congressman, it is because of a project or a request.
Hindi po lahat, Mr. Chair.
So,
Kasi,
other than projects and other requests, you also seek or reach out certain congressman upon the instruction of the former SAP.
yes, at the time, yung
And
siya pa
normally, what other reasons did the former SAP instruct you to do aside from following up request of certain congressmen?
most of the time, Mr. Chair, mga medical assistants.
That is very clear. Kasi ako, hindi naman ako humingi ng medical assistance sa inyo.
Yes, Mr.
Diba?
Chair.
So, do you
Mr.
know a
Chair?
certain Peter?
Yeah, just to
Yes,
set the record straight,
Yes, Congressman Adjong.
para hindi ho tayo magkaliwanagan. You mean to say, Congressman, during the presidency of Digong, former President Duterte,
Yes po.
when you were in Malacanang.
Yes, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
just to set the record straight, because we're talking about now the 19th Congress. Have I ever called you?
Actually, Mr. Chair, nakalimutan ko na po talaga kung sino din yung pong
Yeah,
nakakausap.
because I was not part of Congress last. This is my
Ay,
first term.
so kaya nga, Mr. Chair, I cannot recall.
Just set the record straight.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, short interjection lang din po kay Ms. Smoking.
Oh, sige, okay. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Kasi natanong po kanina, dahil nga napangalanan po si Ms. Smoking sa affidavit ni Colonel Garma na meron daw alias Smoking na taga-disburse ng rewards under the drug war at ito po ay dinedeny ni Ms. Smoking. To confirm, tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yeah. So, Mr. Chair, kung dinedeny po ang nasa affidavit ni Colonel Garma, pero aside po kasi kay Colonel Garma, mismo si former President Rodrigo Duterte ay meron pong pinangalan ng alias Smoking din, both sa Senado, tsaka maging dito sa Quadcom, Mr. Chair, based sa questions ng mga mababatas natin in both chambers. So, Mr. Chair, ngayon po itatanong ko, based naman sa sinabi ng dating Pangulo, in-insist pa rin po ba ni Ms. Smoking na wala siyang dinidisburse na pera in relation to the drug war?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Kahit po operational expenses para sa mga pulis na nagpatupad ng drug war?
Wala po talaga, Mr. Chair.
Or rewards sa mga napapatay with varying degrees? Wala rin pong nilalabas na pera?
Wala po talaga, Mr. Chair.
Kung ganun, Mr. Chair, then given na merong directly contradicting na mga sinasabi under oath, on one hand, yung sinabi ni Colonel Garma at ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, and on the other hand, si Ms. Smoking, then Mr. Chair, merong at least isa dun sa mga tao na iyon who are lying under oath. And that demands further inquiry and questioning by legislators. Yun lang, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for asking my question, Congressman Manuel. But before we continue, maybe I'd like to say that yung ating pong mga bisita ay you are now excused, Nanay and Mrs. Asuncion. And sana po sa susunod na Quadcom hearing ay makadalo pa rin kayo. Okay, maraming salamat po. Pasensya na po kayo na inabot po tayo ng and that, of course, Dr.
Actually, I have questions to Dr. Raquel Fortun, but if you are already tired, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Mukhang sanay si Dr. Fortun sa puyatan eh. So, as I was saying earlier, Ms. Muking, do you know a certain Peter Parungo?
No, Mr. Chair.
So you don't know Peter Parungo?
No, Mr. Chair.
Kasi sa affidavit ni Colonel Garma, nabasa mo naman siguro, na binanggit niya na si Peter Parungo, as she termed it, no, is the striker ng CIDG. I don't know what a striker means, but si Congressman Acop educated us as, yes, or striker is actually a utility personnel ng CIDG. At siya ang inuutusan. And at one instance, lumapit daw itong si Mr. Peter Parungo kay Colonel Garma at ang sinabi niya ay, ma'am, masyado na pong malaking pera ang pumapasok sa aking account. If I'm not mistaken, what he was trying to say is that he opened several bank accounts and that is where pumapasok yung pera na apparently ay galing sa'yo upon the instructions of either former SAP, now Senator Bongo, or the former president. So, kung hindi mo kilala si Peter Parungo, paano ka nakakapagbigay ng operational fund assistance sa ating mga kapulisan?
Hindi po ako nagbibigay ng operational fund assistance sa mga
So,
kapulisan.
ang ibig sabihin, hindi tama yung sinabi ni former President Duterte. Dahil sinabi niya, sa hearing natin dito, sinabi niya na it is through you na siya na ikaw ang inuutusan na mag-release ng operational fund or reimbursements.
Hindi po through me, Mr. Chair.
So hindi through you.
Hindi po talaga, Mr. Chair.
Sa office nyo, sino kaya?
Wala po sa office namin, Mr. Chair.
Wala
Wala po
sa
kaming
office
funds.
So hindi
Under OSAP, wala po kaming funds.
So hindi ho totoo ang sinasabi ni Mr. President.
I believe, Mr. Chair. Baka, sorry, Mr. Chair. Baka merong ibang agency but not from us, Mr. Chair.
Ilan ba ang booking sa Office of the President?
Ako lang po, Mr. Chair.
So isa lang, ikaw lang.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Are you called by any other name? Napa ba mong lain nga angga?
Muking lang yun, Mr.
Booking
Chair.
lang. Okay, sige, salamat. So, I believe Congressman Keith Flores is the next interpolator. Thank you. I probably ate so much of your time, but this time you will have extra.
No.
Congressman Flores, you have 15 minutes.
I just have a few questions to Muking, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, kasi ang what has been established is that at one point in time, Senator Bato has said that there were reimbursement for operations. The same was also said by the President himself, na may reimbursements silang ginawa to some operations of the police officers. And in both instances, sinasabi nila na it was through you, indirectly through you daw, to Muking, ang reimbursements na expenses. And since there is no other Muking, ikaw lang yung, of course, ang natural first person that would come into mind. But at the same time, it may also be na itong funds that are given for you to dispense may not have been termed as reimbursements or whatever. Or has there anything like that happened?
Wala po talaga akong funds na ginadispense, Mr.
So
Chair.
you don't give out anything?
Never po, Mr. Chair, kasi hindi po talaga ako naging disbursing officer.
Okay. So but then why would these people say na sa'yo? Yan ang question ko eh. Kasi parang imposible naman na they'd all refer to you and at the same time, it is not you.
Ay, hindi ko po alam, Mr.
So
Chair.
walang instance na like let's say inutusan ka, bigay mo to kang ano or something like that.
Wala po
Bayaran mo ang nagastos nila kasi they spent this much.
Sorry, Mr. Chair, wala po talaga, Mr. Chair.
But without reference to like, this is the fund from the drug war, this is to reward them, nothing like that. Walang.
Wala po talaga,
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
So, in the other aspect naman, like, yung your function as ASEC before and then USEC, a lot of congressmen, including myself in the 18th Congress, have reach out to Senator BG for help, no? Lalo na nung COVID, because everyone was really in searching for funds for hospitalization because, di ba, ang nangyari noon is sarado mostly ang mga hospitals because they're converted into COVID centers and napipilitan yung mga citizens to go to private hospitals, which is expensive. And they all come to politicians like congressmen, governors, mayors for help in the medical assistance, no? And this is where usually SAP comes in, no? Parang he helps out, no? Parang in allocating some may mga aid na ba that time?
I believe, Mr. Chair, meron pero hindi pa po siya well-funded.
Hindi pa ganun kalaki.
That's
diba?
right, Mr. Chair.
Or the Malasakit was also started by SAP by that
Yes,
time.
nakastart na po nun, Mr. Chair.
So, there were instances na some either politicians, governors, mayors, congressmen who would go to SBG for help. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And SBG sometimes would also respond either directly or sometimes through you. Di ba?
Referral, Mr. Chair.
Referral,
Kasi,
like,
yes,
kasi
kasi po
may-
hindi na po siya SAP at that time during the COVID.
Senator na.
Senator na po siya, Mr.
So,
Chair.
sabihin niyang, sagutin mo to si ano na okay na yung request or something like that.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Parang nire-refer po kayo sa amin sa OP
Yeah.
kasi po si OP po ang may funding, Mr. Chair.
Because this is the first time we met. Tama mo ba? Miss Marie?
First time we met pero
But
maraming
I've known
times
of you,
na po
di ba?
tayo
Oh,
nag-usap
yes, we've already communicated several times in the past. No?
in the past, Mr.
While you were with the
Office
Office,
of the
of the President as ASEC and USEC later on, eventually.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. But it wasn't that frequent naman, di ba, Muking?
Hindi naman
Hindi,
po,
it was,
Mr.
I think, I followed up on some, lalo na yung FLR,
Yes, Mr.
yung
Chair.
for late release
For
na-
signature of the President.
for signature of the
Yes,
President.
Mr. Chair.
Di ba? And we were all scrambling kasi patapos na yung taon at hindi pa
Hindi pa
napirmahan
siya nalabas.
ni President at that time. So, you were parang siguro an important figure when it comes to the FLR at that time. Or not important. I'll rephrase that. No? Hindi naman important, but you were one of the persons na makakapag-connect with other politicians na nagfa-follow up sa FLR.
Malalaman talaga namin, Mr. Chair, kasi after po evaluation sa Office of the Executive Secretary, inaakyat po siya sa office ng OSAP para po i-prepare namin for the signature of the President. So,
May usap pa ba that time?
yes, Mr. Chair, until the end of the term of the
Sino nga pumalit kay SBG?
si at Yusek Melchor Kitain po.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, but parang everyone seems to be referring to SBG pa rin as parang SAP. Kasi parang nasanayan na when he was special assistant. And
Kasi
even,
he usually refers to us, Mr. Chair.
so binabato niya sa inyo,
That's right, Mr. Chair.
but under Kitain na. at
Yes,
the time.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, that's why a lot of parang politicians and would have had a chance to have talked to you before or something.
Yes,
or
Mr.
communicated with you man lang.
Yes, Mr. Chair, kasi lumalapit sila kay Senator Bong, tapos hindi na din po siya senator no. Ang ginagawa ni Senator
Hindi
Bong,
siya SAP. Senator na
ay hindi
siya.
na po siya SAP noon.
So, binabato sa inyo?
Binabato sa amin, kaya tinatawagan po namin yung nagpapatulong po.
When you say binabato sa inyo as SAP office, Special Assistant to the President Office.
OSAP po, Mr. Chair.
OSAP, but under a different secretary na.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And that is Melchor Kitain na that time.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Ang ano lang talaga dito,